What are the signs that someone is on a call on WhatsApp without actually calling them?
Hello and welcome to our video on WhatsApp usage. Today, we'll delve into the specifics of understanding whether someone is on a call on WhatsApp without actually calling them. This information can come in handy when you don't want to disturb someone who's already busy on a call.
WhatsApp's online status feature.
WhatsApp's online status feature is a useful tool in understanding a user's activity. When someone is using WhatsApp, their status will show as online. However, it's essential to note that an online status doesn't necessarily mean the person is on a call. They could be chatting, viewing a status, or browsing their chats.
Ringing versus busy signals.
Another way to deduce if someone is on a call on WhatsApp is to attempt a call. If you hear a standard ringing tone, the person you're calling is not currently on a call or their phone is on silent mode, so the call is waiting to be picked up. However, if you hear a busy tone immediately after dialing, this typically signifies that the person you're calling is already engaged on another WhatsApp call. Remember, this method will alert the person you're calling to your call attempt.
Last seen versus online status.
WhatsApp's Last Seen feature can also provide clues, though it's less direct. If a person's last seen status was quite recent and their status hasn't switched to online for a significant duration, it could imply they are on a call. However, this is not a foolproof method, as it could also mean that they are offline or have changed their last seen settings. In conclusion, determining whether someone is on a WhatsApp call without calling them directly can be tricky and lacks 100% certainty. However, by using the online status, listening for a busy tone, and considering the last seen timestamp, you can make a reasonable guess. Remember that respecting privacy is crucial in all communications. We hope this video has been informative and will help you navigate your WhatsApp usage more effectively. Thanks for watching.